Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our beloved lecturer, Madam Wan Haslin Azia Wan Hassan. So today I would like to present about chapter 6, project management. In this subject, operations management, MGT 345. So before we start, I would like to introduce my group mate, which is first Nur Fazila Natasha binti Madi, second Balkis binti Abdul Razak, and me Nur Amira Mirza binti Muhammad Said. So we should to do assigned task, which is past term question, March 2012 and October 2012. Alright, first question, March 2012. ADZ Sdn Berhad is trying to set up a critical path network for controlling its research project of developing new product. The project has 10 activities. Its precedence, relationship, and activity duration as shown below. Okay, first question. Construct the PERT network for this line project. Okay, for note 1, we activity A has no predecessors and perform concurrently. So next, activity B, C, and D can start after activity A have been complete. Then followed by activity E can start after activity B, C, D completed. Okay, activity B and D are different nodes. So we should put dummy for they can make one activity. Okay, next question is calculate the earliest event time EET and latest event time LET for each event. Alright. First we should add the total of EET from node 1 to node number 2. So EET first would be 6, and then we should follow all the total until last EET, which is node number 7, 24. Then how to get LET, which is from the last node, which is activity J and node number 7, we should minus from the total that have in J5. So we should get 24 minus 5, get 19. So we should follow until the last node number 1. So we can get 0. Next question is identify the critical activities for the event. So the answer is A, B, G, J. How we can get the answer is the answer is the straight line in the middle of the activities line, which is not number 1, 2, 3, 6, and 7. So the critical activities is A, B, A, B, G, and J. Okay, I pass to the next presenter, Nur Fazila Natasha.
Okay, so for question D, compute the following. First, free float for activity D, which is free float equal to EET minus EET and duration, which is we get 0 week. Number 2 is total float for activity G, which is total float equal to LET minus duration, and we get 1 week. For number 3, independent float for activity H, which is independent float equal to EET minus LET and minus duration, which is we get 0 week. Next, Question E, which is calculate the project completion time if activity S were revised to 8 weeks, which is before total float equal to LET minus EET minus duration, and we get 0 weeks. After that, 19 minus 13 minus 8, which is we get 2 weeks left. Next, I will give to the next presenter, Balkis.
For back back for the first question. For the first question is construct the CPM network for the project. First, uh, uh, first, the first activity and the second is not predecessor. So, uh, when first activity is the end, so the second and third activity can continue. But the beginner of second and third activity is same, so they have gummy, same like activity 4, 6, 5, and 7 and 8. Next, I will give to the next presenter.
So for number B, compute the earliest event time and latest event time for each event. So to calculate the EET, we started from left to right, and the number we choose is the biggest numbers, and we add the all numbers. To calculate LET, we started from right to left and choose the smallest one, and we minus to the all numbers. I will give to the next presenter.
Alright. Next question is identify the critical activities. So the answer for this question is EIK. How to get the critical activities is it is same from the last question, which is how to identify the critical activities is the middle line in the whole activity line, which is not 6, 8, 10, and 11. So the answer is EIK. Next,
Uh, so next, the determine the program estimate complete time. Critical parts 6, 8, 10, 11. Critical activity EIK, and complete time is 2 plus 7 plus 4. Uh, Complete time is 13 minutes. Next, determine the free float for activity G. Free floats equal to EET head minus EET tail and minus duration equal to 9 equals 6 equal 3 weeks become 0 weeks. Next, I will give to the next presenter.
So for question number F, if activity D is revised from 1 week to 4 weeks, how would this affect the project? So before, total float equal to LET minus EET and minus duration, which is 19 minus 5 minus 1, we get 13 weeks. Then after that, we we calculate that 19 minus 5 minus 4 weeks and we get 10 weeks. So that's all from us. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.